Hello iPhone users, do you want to make sure your apps are up to date with the latest features and improvements? In this video, we'll show you how to check for app updates on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet to access the latest app updates. In the App Store, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account page. On your account page, scroll down to the upcoming automatic updates or available updates section. Here, you'll see a list of apps with available updates. To update an individual app, tap the Update button next to the app's name. If you want to update all apps at once, tap the Update All button at the top of the list. Once the updates are installed, you can verify the updated apps by checking the Updated Recently section on your account page. And that's it. You've successfully checked for app updates on your iPhone, ensuring that you have the latest features and improvements. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.